Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chicanic. I was not going to film a video today, but I was doing some chores around the house and I thought I might as well take you with me because I am using a product today that quite possibly can save you a lot of time, money, and frustration in the future. So today we are at my porch. This is my back porch and this is where the magic happens. It's where I hang out most of the time. It's where my dogs hang out most of the time, and it is a mess. At least twice a year I have to pressure wash it. It's wood, it gets nasty, and today I'm going to show you about the Twinkle Star 15-inch service cleaner, how awesome it is, and how much faster it can make your job, and why I love it, and hopefully you will too. Okay, so as embarrassing as this is the back step of my house where our work boots come in, where my dog eats their food, and they lay against, you can see where they lay against the edge of the house, and it's just nasty back here. I mean, there's stains all over the place. Dogs can destroy your house, so hopefully we can get all this cleaned up pretty quick and show you how awesome this surface cleaner is. For this demonstration, we will be using a Troy-built pressure washer. Now it has a 7.75 gross torque engine on it, but we have actually changed out the pump. This used to have a 2800 max PSI pressure washer pump on it, and it blew out. So a customer gave it to us and we put a 3100 PSI pump on it. So let's see how fast it's going to knock it out today. We're also going to be using the Twinkle Star 15-inch service cleaner. It just pops right on to the handle of any pressure washer wand. I have thoroughly got much use out of this, and hopefully you'll get yourself one too. They're not really that expensive. I'll be putting a link in the description box below so you can find where to get yours and save you some time on your next job. All right, so you can see the bottom of this surface cleaner. It's got the dual jets shooting out each side as it spins and rotates. It's got these bristles all the way around so it doesn't mess up the surface that you're going on. It keeps it sort of levitated and gives it a soft surface to rub against, the wood or the concrete, whatever. Now, I usually use this on my driveway and it's excellent. I mean, it does a really good job on concrete. So this, the wood, it does well too, but the concrete is where it's at with these. It also comes with two extensions to hook up to your pressure washer. It's just, got the quick connect on it. You'll have two more extensions, about each one I think is maybe 16 inches long to this in case you need to extend out farther than you're already going. So yeah, these are awesome. Twinkle Star 15-inch surface cleaner. So let's get cleaning. All right, so the reason that my porch gets nasty, she's right here. Shira. Oh, goodness gracious. What is she? Oh, she's a nasty girl. She's a nasty girl. Oh, she's sweet, but she's a mess, isn't she? She is a mess. Oh, she's so licky and slobbery. Yeah, that is why my porch is gross. Is she a good buddy? because I didn't want y'all to think I wasn't finishing up, I did break out the wand, got the wall all done, so it's nice and pretty again. No more dog stains. So, we're finished. Alright, so this is the next day. As you can see, everything's dried out. Nice and clean. Much better. Thanks again for tuning into Chicanic. I am fixing to jump in this bad boy. It is like 98 degrees and 100% humidity here in Arkansas. I am sweating to death, but we are done and the porch is clean. I'm going to leave a link below to the 15-inch Twinkle Star Surface cleaner in the description box below, so please check it out if you'd like to get one. I promise you it will save you time, money, and frustration in the future. Also, if you have any kind of like back issues, shoulder issues, anything that you don't want to put stress on you know, your spine, any kind of blown out discs or something like that, and it's really hard to pressure wash because it does put so much stress on your spine, I'm telling you, this is the way to go, because it just like hovers above the ground and it puts no tension stress on your back whatsoever while you're using it. So I highly recommend it for that. So thanks again for tuning in to Chicanic. Thanks and have a great day.